Imagine waking up not to a jarring alarm, but to gentle morning light. You check your phone, and instead of work emails, you see a notification. You've made $150 overnight. This isn't a fantasy, it's a reality for people who have unlocked the secret to making money while they sleep. For decades, true passive income felt like a dream reserved for real estate moguls or stock market wizards. But the game has completely changed. A new, powerful tool is making this dream accessible to everyone, regardless of their background. This isn't about getting lucky or stumbling into a rare investment. It's not a complicated financial scheme. The force driving this revolution is something you hear about constantly, but you may not realize its true potential for personal wealth creation. It's not magic. It's something far more powerful. It's artificial intelligence. And it's quietly reshaping our economic landscape, creating opportunities that were unimaginable just a few years ago. Right now, thousands of ordinary people are leveraging AI to build automated online businesses, generate content that earns them money 24/7, and make smarter investment decisions that grow their wealth on autopilot. They are creating digital assets and launching automated services with intelligent systems that work for them around the clock. They've turned their laptops into tireless employees. This isn't just about a side hustle, it's about building genuine financial freedom and taking back control of your time. The question is no longer AI can make you money, but you can get started. And that's why you're here. In this video, I'm cutting through the hype to give you a concrete roadmap. I will break down 5 powerful, practical, and proven AI money hacks you can start implementing right away. These are legitimate strategies for building sustainable income in 2025 and beyond. Whether you have zero technical skills or you're tech savvy, these methods are accessible to everyone. Welcome to SharpMindset, your guide to wealth strategies, smarter money habits, and financial freedom. Our mission is to empower you with the knowledge to make smarter money moves and achieve your biggest goals. We'll cover a lot, but make sure you stick around for all 5 hacks, especially the last one. The 5th strategy is something few people are talking about, yet it holds the potential for the most significant long-term passive income. It's a game changer that could fundamentally shift how you view the relationship between your time and your money. You won't want to miss it. Hack 1. AI side hustles. AI tools are transforming online business. They can generate content, write scripts, design graphics, and even manage social media. Entrepreneurs are using platforms like ChatGPT, Canva AI, and automation tools to run faceless YouTube channels, publish ebooks, and build freelance businesses, without needing advanced skills or large startup costs. What used to take hours of work now takes minutes with AI, freeing you to scale faster and earn more. Hack 2. AI-driven investing. For decades, the world of high-stakes investing felt like a fortress guarded by Wall Street elites with access to information and tools the average person could only dream of. But what if I told you that fortress is crumbling? The old way of investing meant relying on expensive brokers and navigating a sea of complex, often inaccessible financial data. It was a game rigged in favor of those with deep pockets and insider knowledge. Today, that entire paradigm has been shattered. The power is shifting from the trading floors of New York and London directly into your hands. This revolution is powered by a new generation of AI-driven applications. Platforms you might already know, like Robinhood and eToro, are integrating sophisticated AI features. But the real game changer is the rise of accessible algorithmic trading bots. Think of these not just as apps, but as your personal automated market analysts. They are programs you can configure to execute trades based on a precise set of rules and real-time market signals, working tirelessly for you around the clock. So, how does it work? While a human analyst might spend a full day analyzing a single company's performance, these AI systems process millions of data points in mere seconds. They don't just look at charts, they perform deep technical analysis, identifying complex patterns that might signal a future price move. They conduct sentiment analysis, scanning news and social media to gauge public mood, and they can even perform fundamental analysis, digesting earnings reports to find undervalued companies across global markets. From traditional stocks to the volatile 24/7 world of cryptocurrency and the complex currents of the forex market. The single greatest advantage this provides is the removal of emotion from your decisions. We've all felt it, the fear of missing out that makes you buy at the peak, and the panic that makes you sell at the bottom. AI is immune to these biases. It operates on pure logic and data, helping you stick to your strategy. Now it's crucial to understand that no tool can guarantee a profit. The market will always have its risks. But AI provides you with an unprecedented data edge. It allows you to build a smarter, more diversified portfolio based on probability, not panic. Think of it as having a dedicated financial analyst in your pocket, one who never sleeps and never gets scared. Your role shifts from being a frantic day trader to a calm, strategic overseer, using these powerful insights to make informed choices and build wealth with intelligence. Hack 3. AI-powered content automation. For decades, content creation has been a relentless grind, the endless cycle of brainstorming, writing, and editing. It's the biggest barrier for anyone trying to build an income online. But what if the most time-consuming parts of that process could be handed off to an intelligent assistant? What if you could be the architect, while a tireless digital workforce handled the execution? This isn't a future fantasy, it's happening right now. Right now, entire income streams are being automated at a scale we've never seen before. We're talking about the ability to build entire media businesses from the ground up, with AI as your primary employee. Forward-thinking creators are leveraging this to build vast digital empires. Blogs with hundreds of articles, newsletters for thousands of subscribers, and faceless YouTube channels attracting millions of views, all with minimal human intervention. The process is surprisingly straightforward. It starts with AI writing tools that can generate high-quality blog posts, detailed video scripts, and engaging newsletters in minutes. The AI handles the initial draft and structure. Your job is to refine it, inject your unique personality, and fact-check the output. Then, AI video editors take over, automatically cutting silences, adding captions, and even finding B-roll. And for those hesitant to be on camera, AI can generate incredibly realistic voices, completely removing that barrier to entry. Monetization comes from ads, affiliate programs, or selling digital products. The true power is that once set up, this system becomes an automated income engine. It publishes content, attracts an audience, and generates revenue 24/7, whether you're working or sleeping. Each piece of content is a new worker, and the results compound over time as your library grows, creating a powerful snowball effect of traffic and income. This isn't just side income, it's the foundation of a scalable digital asset. Unlike a job where you trade time for money, you're building a system that has intrinsic value. You're creating a business that you own, that grows on its own, and that can become a cornerstone for long-term financial freedom. Hack 4. AI in personal finance. AI is also helping individuals manage money smarter. Apps powered by AI can track spending, optimize budgets, and even recommend investment allocations tailored to your goals. Imagine an AI financial assistant reminding you when to save, when to invest, and how to cut unnecessary expenses, all while helping you grow your net worth. These tools are making financial literacy and wealth management accessible to everyone. Hack 5. AI plus wealth multiplication. Here's the game changer. AI doesn't just save time, it multiplies opportunity. From automating e-commerce businesses to managing rental property data to optimizing ad campaigns, AI is helping entrepreneurs scale faster than ever before. The biggest wealth builders don't just use AI to earn, they use it to multiply assets and accelerate financial independence. So remember, AI isn't just a tech trend, it's a wealth-building tool. Whether you're starting a side hustle, investing smarter, or automating content, AI can give you the edge to create passive income, protect your focus, and grow long-term financial freedom. If you're serious about building wealth in 2025 and beyond, subscribe to SharpMindset, because one strategy could change your financial future.